My name is Kevin.
His name is Katie. Hi.
Today we're going to show you how to work a cap gun. You can get them at Walgreens for $5, and then the caps, 27 caps actually.
And 216 shots.
So, that costs a little extra money. Just to let you know, it doesn't shoot anything. We're going to show you how to work this. So,
They fit with a cap gun and some caps.
now I'm going to let Caden talk.
Hi. Thank you, Kevin. So this is a cap gun. These are the caps. Only gunpowder. So you open it like this. Put these caps in. Like this. Close it. You can do it like this. Or you can do it like this, normally. Okay, so what you want to do now is don't keep it to your ear, or it's gonna burn your ear. It's gonna burn your hair, or crack your eardrum. So thank you. Let's see if I can shoot that bullseye. Just kidding. Didn't shoot anything. Okay, it's blocked off, so it can't shoot anything. Let's listen to it.
That was all. Thank you for watching this.